Go pet the head, Chester, pet. Good girl. Yep. Hi, Chester. Say good girl. Good, Chester. Chester, good girl. Good girl, Chester. It's got your shoe. Okay, kiss with the kiss it. Good girl. She like you.
Oh, dirty.
Say I like you too.
Mommy. Oops. I don't want my shoes to get dirty. My jacket. Justice here. Sarah, Justice here. I'm gonna take my jacket off, Mommy.
Don't take it off.
It's
It's still cool. Okay, but that's fine. It's a little cool. You can play with Chester. Say Chester. Say Chester. Yes, Chester. Say hi, Chester. See, Aunt Sarah is there and Livia. Yep. Up. Careful. I know, but you have to be careful and hold tight. Okay. Okay. Good girl, Chester. Good girl.
I think she's stepping on poop.
I know. She had a lot of poop in there. She ate a lot. Marvin just there. Bad boy, Marvin.
Bad boy, Marvin.
Yep. Bad
No.
boy beat you. Marvin can beat you.
Marvin can beat you. Aww,
Yep.
cute.
Chestnut. You wanna ride with Chester, right?
Yeah,
Maybe when we come back for Christmas.
Not the
Yeah.
brown one. And Santa will come. I don't want bad. Cute Chester. Chester's crying.
Chester is crying?
No, she's under eye is a little.
She's not crying. She's just happy.
But he's a little bit happy.
Yep.
And he's a big happy. So he's biting. Cute. Aww.
Give kisses so it's not gonna go cry. Careful. He's got your ear?
Yes.
What happened?